Tell me what's going on.
Hooked up an easy lift, and to hook up the trailer lights, there's a plug-in underneath here to plug it in. And I didn't have the right plug-in, so I just hooked yellow, green, right turn. When I went to try it out, I got tail lights, but no turn signals, and of course no brake, because they share the same one, right? So I got no brakes, no turn signal. I checked all the fuses. They're talking about a module that came out in 2015. None of this has ever been used, so I don't know where to go next.
Okay.
I tried to hook it right to the taillights, but as soon as I put a load on taillights, they go out.
Right. So I'm sorry, let's back up. You were trying to install what?
Just a taillight hookup. You put in an easy lift trailer hitch, and then I try to hook up the wiring.
Have you checked the fuses?
Yes.
So your exterior lights get power from body control module on the left side of the dash. And the body control module basically powers up all the exterior lights. So what that means is if the fuses are good and the body control module isn't able or capable of sending power to the exterior lights, then at that point what we would have to do is the correct fix would be to check for codes in the computer and possibly replace the BCM. However, there's a couple steps that I would strongly recommend that you do first. If you probably don't have a compatible scan tool to plug in and check for codes. So what you could do is you could disconnect the battery cables from the battery and then rub the cables together for 5 minutes. Then reconnect the cables back up to the battery and see if that does the trick. You can just retest the system.
I just take the negative and positive cable and just make sure.
That's correct. You got it. Yep. Now, if you do have two batteries, if you have any sort of auxiliary or secondary battery, stock or aftermarket, you're going to have to disconnect those battery cables from that battery as well.
I believe there's one that's got the one that is.
So you could try that. That would be the best case scenario, is if you do that real quick, just disconnect the cables, rub the cables together for 5 minutes, and then reconnect them back up, and that might do the trick. You have a pretty good shot at that working. If it doesn't do the trick, we're going to have to check power to the parts, the components, the taillights or the light assemblies that aren't working to see if we do have power. If we don't have power, either we have a wiring issue or the BCM may be faulty and may need to be replaced.
Because taillights, all that stuff works. Everything works on it until I went to hook up the trailer lights.
I gotcha. Oh, I hear ya.
All righty. I'll give that a try.
That sounds good, my friend. Good luck, and let me know what you find.
All right. Thank you very much.
You bet. You're welcome.
Mm-hmm.
Bye-bye.